Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Android version and that you have device admin or owner access. This matters because some options require admin rights. Once done, back up any app data and make note of your Google account so you can restore later if needed. Next, decide which approach you want. Hide via your launcher, disable the Play Store app, use a secure folder, or create a restricted profile with parent controls. Make that choice now so the next steps match your path. If you chose a custom launcher, open Home Settings, pick Hide Apps, and toggle Play Store Hidden. This prevents the icon from appearing without changing system behavior. If you prefer Disable, open Settings, Apps, find Google Play Store, and choose Disable. Remember, this stops automatic updates and some services until re-enabled. For secure folder or restricted profile, create the container or profile, move or restrict Play Store access there, and set a PIN. Each route hides visibility. Choose the one matching your privacy and functionality needs. Finish by rebooting and verifying the Play Store icon no longer appears and that apps still work. Try launching an app update to confirm behavior. If something breaks, re-enable the Play Store or remove it from the secure folder or restricted profile to restore services, then update and reconfigure. If the icon is still visible, clear the launcher cache or settings, confirm you completed the hide steps, and check that Play Store isn't protected by device admin. One key tip: if updates fail, re-enable briefly to update, then re-hide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.